Today, we are talking about something we all deal with regularly: fuel. Specifically, the difference between 93 and 95 petrol and why it matters for your car. In South Africa, most cars use petrol, and you'll commonly see 93 and 95 octane ratings at the pump. But what do these numbers actually mean? The number you see, like 93 or 95, is called the octane rating. It measures the fuel's ability to resist knocking or pinging in your engine. Knocking happens when the fuel ignites too early, which can damage your engine over time. 93 petrol is the standard option for many cars. It's perfectly fine for most everyday vehicles and it's a little bit cheaper than the 95. 95, on the other hand, is higher octane fuel. It's recommended for cars with more powerful engines, turbocharged engines, or performance vehicles. Using 95 in an engine that actually requires it can improve performance and fuel efficiency slightly. Here's a tip. Always check your car's manual to see recommended fuel. Using a lower octane than required can cause engine knocking, while using a higher octane than needed usually doesn't harm your car, but it might cost you more at the pump. So 93 for most cars, 95 for performance cars. Simple, right? Next time you fill up, remember the right fuel keeps your car running smoothly and safely. If you found this helpful, like, share, and follow me for more. This is Ntavi, the car sales lady, helping you make smart car choices.